Hello and welcome to the How to video series of WP Ultimate CSV Importer. In this video, I'll show you how to import Toolset Types custom fields data into your WordPress site using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's start by preparing the CSV file. First, I have added some essential post fields like title and content, where you can enter your own text values. Then, I have included the Toolset Types custom fields data. The unique car ID represents a number field, where you can enter any numeric value. The car model name corresponds to a single-line field, while the car description is a multi-line field. The WYSIWYG editor field allows formatted text input. For the page URL field, you can add any valid web link. Next, let's move on to the Select and Radio button fields. To select a specific value, you need to mention the corresponding order value in the CSV file. For example, in my Select field, entering 1 will select petrol, and entering 2 will select diesel. Similarly, in the Radio button field, if you want to choose the value above 50L, enter 3 in the CSV file. For checkbox fields, entering 1 enables the checkbox, while 0 disables it. If you are working with multiple checkboxes, list the values separated by commas. For example, in my seat number field, I have options 5, 4, and 7. To select multiple checkboxes, I need to enter 5, 4, 7 in my CSV file. Moving on to other field types, the color field requires a hex code. For image fields, you can use a WordPress media gallery URL or an external image URL. The date field should follow the standard date format. For file, audio, and video fields, you must use a WordPress media library URL, as external URLs are not supported. The email field should follow the standard format, such as support@smackcoders.com. In the phone number field, enter a valid contact number. The Skype field contains the Skype username, and the embedded media field supports YouTube video URLs. Additionally, I have included other essential post fields such as categories, where multiple values are separated by commas, the post author, and the post name, Slug, field. Now that the CSV file is ready, let's proceed with the import using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugin page, and upload your import file. If you are importing new content, select Fresh Import. If you are updating existing content, choose Update Content. Next, select the post type where you want to import the data. In this case, I'm importing into posts, so I will select that and click Continue. The next step is field mapping. Here, we need to match the CSV file headers with WordPress fields. If your CSV headers match WordPress field names, they will be automatically mapped. If not, you will need to map them manually. Make sure to map all fields, especially the ones in the Types Custom Fields mapping widget. Once mapping is complete, save the mapping template with a name and click Continue. Now, let's configure the media upload settings. If your CSV file contains external images and you want them to be imported into the WordPress media library, enable one of the options here to handle duplicates media imports. You can also enable the option to import images within post content into the media library. Once done, click Import to start the process. That's it. The import is now complete. You can see 3 posts has been imported. To verify the results, go to Posts in your WordPress dashboard. 3 posts are imported. Let's open a post in the Edit view. You can see that all the Toolset Types field values have been successfully imported. By following these steps, you can easily import all your Toolset Types custom fields into WordPress using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Thank you for watching.